Hello. Today, let's going to talk about your windscreen wipers of your Audi A1 or S1 car. So let's have a look where it is. The windscreen wiper lever is on the right side behind your steering wheel. There it is. There are so many different operations. Which are you going to do with this lever? This is a nice thing. You can use it. The windscreen wipers is for the rear and the back wipers. And of course, if you have a computer system inside, you can make additional parts with this wiper. First setting, wipers off. And then if you're pushing the wiper down, you can see the back wiper is rotating. And if you push more, the water will rinse out of the wiper and cleans your back glasses. As you can see, easy going. This is nice. The back side. Back side means push the lever. Don't forget to set to 0.0. And if you are pulling the lever, then it comes at the front wiper. Now, yeah, there it is. And if you are pulling and hold it, the windscreen washing wiper service is getting some water in the front. There it is. Good job. Easy. Now let's go to the other options. If you slide the wiper lever up, there will come the intermittent wipe. Move the switch to the left or the right to increase or reduce the wiper delay interval. Okay, there is a little part on top, and if you're sliding it right, it is faster than before, and if you're sliding it left turn, it has a more interval. On vehicles with a rain sensor, the windscreen wipers are activated automatically at speed above approximately 4 km/h. The higher the sensitivity level for the rain sensor is, the sooner the windscreen wiper reacts to moisture on the windscreen. There it is. And if you're going more up, it is an option to slow wipe, fast wipe, and if you're going the bottom side, that means on 0, and then behind that 0 part you go down with the lever. That is the single wipe. Nice and easy. The rain sensor is only intended to assist the driver. The driver is still obliged to manually operate the windscreen wipers as required depending on visibility. Do not use water repellent coatings on the windscreen. In bad visibility conditions such as a light rain, low sun, or when driving at night, these coating can cause increased dazzle, which is a serious safety hazard. Such coating can also cause the wiper blades to judder. Poor visibility can cause accidents. Always ensure the wiper's blades are in good condition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.